वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवं सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. This shloka means, O Lord Ganesha, who has such a huge body, carved elephant trunk, and whose brilliance is equal to billions of suns, may always remove my obstacle from my endeavors. On this occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, me Hiya Pujara from grade 5.
Me, Moulik Sinha from grade 7, would like to share something with all of you.
Do you know how Ganesh Chaturthi celebration originated in India? To know this, let us go back in the past and understand. Moulik, over to you.
Historical record says that this festival was initiated in Maharashtra by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the great Maratha ruler, to promote culture and nationalism.
But the celebration remained a family affair in Maharashtra for decades.
During India's freedom struggle in 1857, many orators, leaders, and freedom fighters from all over India teamed to put up a united resistance to the British dominance.
One of the eminent leaders was Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who brought back the tradition of Ganesh Chaturthi and reshaped the annual festival from private celebration into a grand public event.
This was not just a celebration, there was a vision too. His vision was to unite people, to bridge the gap between the Brahmins and the non-Brahmins.
Knew that India couldn't fight her rulers until she solved the differences within her own. Hence, to unite all social classes, Tilak chose Ganesha as a rallying point for Indian protest against British rule.
That was the time, and today, in the 21st century, we have seen the Ganesh Chaturthi celebration evolving and being celebrated by the entire country in their own way. Lokmanya ji, you're great!
But now, during this pandemic, we all have to follow social distancing and celebrate this 10 days. How can we do that? It looks impossible.
Not to worry, the Maharashtra government has come up with the perfect solution. First important thing, while organizing Aarti and other religious programs, there should be no crowd and rules regarding noise pollution should be followed.
You can do this by inviting your family and friends for virtual arti. Or pandals can arrange for live streaming of darshan of Lord Ganesha through online cable networks.
Government has also asked people to use metal or marble Ganesh idols, but in case of clay idols, immersion should be done in an artificial pond or at home to avoid crowd.
No, Mumbai has around 2,700 public Ganesh pandals every year, and hundreds of idols are brought into people's homes. But we have just 84 places for Visurgin. Now think about the population in these places.
So, to avoid this, only 5 people are allowed for immersion, and Ganpati idols at our home can be immersed in the artificial pond or at home.
Children and senior citizens should avoid going to the immersion site, and we know the reason now.
How can we forget about prasad and a cultural program?
During this celebration, many people donate money for the pandals to have a grand celebration.
Instead of using this for cultural programs and the prasad, you can use the money for the health campaigns and awareness related activities.
You can also donate this money to the government or to the people who are in need.
Maharashtra is the worst hit state with more than 2 lakh coronavirus cases, and we should help each other in this time of crisis by celebrating all our festivals with safety ensures and also not forgetting about culture and our tradition and also our duty of a fellow citizen.
Happy and safe Ganesh Chaturthi.
Ganpati Bappa Moria!